morning, students. Today we are going to revise chapter number 1, number up to 9 once again. Today we are going to learn about number in sequence. Count and write the number and the number name. We have to count the figures given here and write it in figure as well as in the words also. Like 1, 1, 1. 2 strawberry, 2 TWF2. 3 vessels, 3 THREE3. 4 birds, 4 FOUR. 4. 5 packets, 5 FIVE5. 6 cap, 6 SIX6. 7 toys, 7 SEVEN7. 8 books, 8 EIGHT8. 9 candle, 9 NINE9. Now matching numbers to the number names. Match the number to the number name. Here numbers are given in figure which we have to match it with number given in words. Before, between, after. Before, between, after. Write the number which comes just before. The number which comes just before we have to write. Like 5. Which number comes before 5? 4. Which numbers come before 8? 7. Which number comes before 4? 3. Which number comes before 2? 1. Which number comes before 6? 5. Which number comes before 9? 8. Which number comes before 3? 2. And which number comes before 7? 6. Now write the numbers which comes between. The numbers which come in between the two numbers, like 3 and 5, 4. 6 and 8, 7. 4 and 6, 5. 5 and 7, 6. 2 and 4, 3, 7 and 9, 8. Now write the number which comes just after, means the number which comes after. Like 9 comes after 8, 5 comes after 4, 8 comes after 7, 3 comes after 2, 6 comes after 5, 2 comes after 1, 4 comes after 3, and 7 comes. Comparison of numbers. Compare the both of the number. Like 6 is bigger than 4, 3 is smaller than 5. Take the bigger number and cross the smaller number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 books is bigger than 1. So we have take it and cross it. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is bigger and this is smaller. Take one and cross one. 5 and 4. So take one and cross one. Bigger and smaller. Bigger take one and smaller cross one. Smaller cross one and bigger take one. Bigger take one and smaller cross one. Now ring the smaller number. Like 4 is smaller than 7. 1 is smaller than 3. Here 2 is smaller than 8. 5 is smaller than 6. 1 is smaller than 3 and 5 is smaller than 7. Rake the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 5. In this 9. In this 5. In this we have 9 as the bigger number, 7 as the bigger number, and 4 and 6, which is bigger? 6 is the bigger. Now increasing order. Write the number in increasing order. Increasing order means the number which is smaller starts from that and goes to the largest number. Like 1 to 6. We will write from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and to 6. From 2 to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 4 to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 to 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here some numbers are given. We have to arrange it in increasing order. So the smallest number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 6, then 8. This is in an increasing order. Increases step by step. Now which is the smallest number? 1, then 3 is larger than 1, then 4, then 6, then 7. Now this one 2, 4, 5, 8 and decreasing order. Write the numbers in decreasing order, that is from the largest to the smallest. 9 to 4 means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 7 to 2, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 8 to 3, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 6 to 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we have to choose the largest number from this, 8, then the smallest 7, then 5, then 2, then 1. Which is the largest number? 9. Then smallest 6, then 4, then 3, then 1. Which is the largest number? 9. Which is the smallest? Then 7, then 5, then 3, then 2. Now we have completed the revision of chapter number 1, numbers up to 9. Thank you.